In this video, I'll be solving the 14th problem of IOQM 2025. We're given a function f that is defined on set of integers such that for any two integers m and n, this functional equation is valid and f of 0 is equals to 1. So if I substitute m is equals to 0, we were already given that f of 0 is 1. So f of 1 is equals to f of 0 into f of 1 minus f of 1 minus 1 plus 2. So that means f of 1 is equals to 1. So if f of 1 is equals to 1, so that, we substituted m as 0. So this will be minus 0 plus 2. That means f of 1 is equals to 2. Since we are having f of 0 as 1, so these two will get cancelled and you will be left with f of 1 is 2. So now if f of 1 is 2, now if we substitute n is equals to 0, f of 1 is equals to f of m into f of 0 minus f of 0 minus m plus 2. So that means f of 1, which we already got it as 2, so that is nothing but f of m minus 1 minus m plus 2. So that means we are getting f of m is equals to 1 plus m. So therefore the function f of m is nothing but m plus 1. Now they are asking summation k is equals to 1 to n, f of k is less than 100. So that means summation f of k is equals to 1 to 100. So that is less than 100. K is equals to 1 to n. F of k is less than 100. So that means that is summation k is equals to 1 to n. 1 plus k is less than 100. So that means if I split this in this way, k is equals to 1 plus summation k is equals to 1 to n, k is less than 100. So summation k is equals to 1 to n, 1 is nothing but n times we are adding 1. And then 1 plus 2 plus and so on till n. So that is nothing but n into sum of first and natural numbers, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. So that means n into n plus 3 by 2 is less than 100. So that means n square plus 3n minus 100 is less than 0. So if we find the roots, minus b plus or minus b square plus 4ac by 2a, that is minus 3 plus or minus square root of 409 by 2. So if we find the approximate value of n, so the positive value is minus 3 plus square root of 409 is somewhere around 20 point something by 2. So that means, actually here, I think I have solved this thing wrong. So basically here we'll be having n minus 200 is less than 0. So that means n is minus b plus or minus b square. So that is 9 plus 4 times 200 by 2a. So which is minus 3 plus or minus 809 by 2. So 809 is square root of 809 is somewhere around 28 because 28 to 29 because 29 square is 841 and 28 square is 784. So that means 28 point something minus 3 by 2, which is 12 point something. So that means this positive root, n is less than 12 point something. So if n is less than 12 point something, so that means n is equals to 12. So the maximum value of n that satisfies this inequality is 12. So therefore answer for this question would be 12. So that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next video.